Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete Behance profile. If you're ready to permanently remove your Behance account, this process is fairly straightforward, but it's important to go carefully since account deletion is a serious action and may not be easily reversed. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Behance account in your web browser. Start by going to the Behance homepage. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your user profile icon. This will open the account menu, where you'll find several options related to your profile and account management. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage different parts of your Behance account. On this page, look for the Delete Account option. Depending on your screen size or browser window, you may need to scroll a little to find it. When you see the option for deleting your account, click on I want to delete my Behance account. This opens the account deletion section where Behance asks you to confirm that you really want to move forward. This extra confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental deletions, so take a moment to review what's on the screen before continuing. Next, click the checkbox confirming that you agree with the terms and conditions and want to delete your account. This acknowledgement is required before Behance will let you continue. After that, enter your Behance username into the provided field. Be sure to type it exactly as it appears on your account, since this is used to verify that you're deleting the correct profile. Once everything is filled in correctly, click the Delete My Account button. This is the final step in the process. After you select it, your Behance account deletion request will be submitted. As a helpful tip, if your Behance profile contains projects, saved work, or portfolio pieces you may want later, consider reviewing or backing them up before completing deletion. Once the account is removed, you may lose access to that content, and that's all it takes to delete your Behance profile. Just go to Behance, open your profile menu, head into Settings, choose the Delete Account option, confirm your intent, agree to the terms, enter your username, and click the final Delete button. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helped you complete the process